So you're going to go into your WordPress dashboard and you're going to download the Image Hover Light plugin. Install that, and once you do, you'll get a menu on the left, and you get 3 different types of settings. Appearance settings. So here you're going to choose what the hover window looks like. It can be transparent, or you can pick whatever color you want. You can go to social settings. Then you can make the social share buttons either a circle or a square. And then you get to choose from a number of different social media platforms. So we have Facebook, Twitter, Google+, but not MySpace. Why don't they have MySpace, right? And then you can go into the animation settings, but there's nothing you can change there. So don't go there. And then you just go to a random page. This is kind of my dummy website for demoing things. So I have my hover page here, and this is actually a picture. It looks like text, but if I click on it, you'll see it's a pic. And you get this little icon here when you download the plugin, Image Hover Light. And you can type a message there. So when people hover over the image, they'll see your little note. And then you click on Next, and you can choose again what site you want. Update image. And then you're going to update the page. And then preview changes. You'll see when I hover over it, it kind of blurs out a little bit, and you see the social share buttons there. Usually they have the icons in there already. My computer's being a little slow right now, so it's not loading. And that's it. That's the Image Hover plugin. So use it.